Public places like malls, markets, or busy streets can be exciting for many people. But for autistic individuals, they can quickly become overwhelming. This happens because they may experience sights, sounds, and smells much more intensely. When too much information hits the senses all at once, the brain struggles to keep up. This is known as sensory overload. In public places, many things can trigger this overload. Loud noises like honking or loudspeakers, bright or flickering lights, strong smells from food or perfumes, crowds, and constant movement. To an autistic person, sensory overload can feel like everything is too loud, too bright, or moving too fast. They may cover their ears, look away, freeze, or want to leave immediately. This isn't misbehavior, it's a genuine reaction to overwhelming input. So how can we help? Give them space or guide them to a quieter area. Use simple, calm speech. Noise-cancelling headphones, sunglasses, or sensory tools can offer relief. And most importantly, be patient and understanding. When